Welcome to lesson number 55. In our previous lesson, that is 54, we were looking at the types of organelles that are found in the cell together with their functions. Today, we are going to look at the differences between plant and animal cell. Let's look at this diagram. I hope you're going to learn something out of it. Okay, let's go. When you look at there are some differences that we are going to note when we look at the plant and animal cells. I want us to check on these two and compare the differences that we'll be able to note amongst them. Most oftenly, when you look at the shape of the animal cell, it appears to be irregular in shape. This one is appearing to be circular, but in some cases the shape may vary because it is lacking the cell wall. While for the plant cell rather, the shape is always regular because it comprises of this cell wall out here, which gives it the regular shape. That is the first difference. The second difference, the plant cell comprises of the cell wall, while the animal lacks the same. The cell wall is this one here. Hope you can see this part. It comprises of the cell wall, while the animal cell lacks the same. Let us look at the third difference. The animal cell may be lacking the vacuole. The vacuole is always absent in animal cell, but at times it appears to be present, especially when viewed under an electron microscope. So this is what we ought to say. The vacuole is always absent in animal cell, but if present, it is small and scattered within the cytoplasm. While for the plant cell, the vacuole is large and centrally located. That is number 3. Let us look at the fourth difference. The nucleus of this plant cell is located towards the periphery of the cell, towards the edges of the cell, while the nucleus of the animal cell is located towards the center of the cell. Difference number 5. The plant cell have chloroplasts. They are here. I hope they are visible now. They have chloroplasts, while the animal cells lack the chloroplast. Difference number 6. In plant cell, there is no centriole. They lack the centriole, while for the animal cell, the centrioles are present. You can see these ones are representing the centrioles. Number 7, the animal cells are often smaller, while the plant cells are usually large. You can even see in my diagram that difference is noticeable. Let us go to number 8, which is the last one. The plant cell always store glycogen. The plant cell always store starch, oil, and proteins, while the animal cells always store glycogen, fats, and proteins. I've said for the animals, it stores the cells store glycogen, fats, and proteins, while for the starch, for the plants, they store starch, oil, and proteins. Thank you for watching this lesson. This was lesson number 54. Let's meet in our next lesson. Thank you.